We got 150 amps on our Lincoln. We're using a 532 7018 and we're doing 3/8 multi-pass welds around shapes. We got that first pass finish and we're going to call this one our root. Because this is a horizontal, some people call it the flat, we're going to work from the bottom up on this. We're turning our wrist, we're going around that pipe, we're coming all the way around, we're burning up all that rod. That bottom pass we just did is going to act as a shelf for our third weld. All said and done, we clean this one up nice. I think this one will do. This page is dedicated to welding education, so if you like what I'm doing, hit that follow button, comment, like, and we'll catch you on the next one.